national parks and biosphere reserves, man and biosphere reserves, wetlands of India, tiger reserves of India, as well as elephant reserves of India. And I'll keep on drawing some kind of maps. You can also see over there, but give the importance whenever I am drawing here, so that location wise you can feel that this is this national park, this tiger reserve, or whatever it is, you can feel it over there. And बस मस्ती करते चलना, nothing more than that. So I said that in India there is an, I said, reserve forest, and around, I said that 58 to 59% forest of India is reserve forest. Where there is a conservation, preservation, that is, I said that reserve category is there, yes or not? More protection. So there is biosphere reserve, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries. Keep on noting down. And if I am talking about biosphere reserve, so reserve forest around 58 to 59%. It varies in the different books. Some says 52%. Doesn't matter. You should have idea about the reserve forest means high level of protection, and then what? Conservation. And if I am talking about area wise biosphere reserve, A1, A2 and A3. So area wise biosphere reserve is greater than national parks, and national park is greater than wildlife sanctuary. And the reserve category, if we see reservation, how much it is? It is R1 more reserved category, R2, and there is, I said that, R3. Means highly reserved, highly protection, highly conservation, it is, I said that, biosphere reserve. Thereafter comparatively less, and wildlife sanctuary. Is it clear? Thereafter we are coming for wildlife sanctuaries. I said that you have to remember, like, it is protection and preservation of, S for sanctuary, S for specific species. Specific species. Can you remember wildlife sanctuary is for what I said that? Is specific, S for sanctuary, S for? Can you remember? And what is the meaning of habitat and the niche, if I am talking about? What is the meaning of habitat? जैसे यदि पूछा जाए आपका क्या हैबिटेट है, तो आप बोलोगे we are Indians, we are one of the species, African is some another species. Yes or not? United States people are another species. So we can be able to say that our habitat is this, yes or not? India subcontinent, yes or not? Some, if you'll go to the, I said that tundra, the people living over there, they are also human being, but the little bit, I said that genetic changes, yes or not? Mongoloid, Chinese are also human being species, but there is, I said that what? Little genetic changes. So everyone has their own habitat, yes or not? तो आपका एड्रेस क्या है? पोलार बियर का एड्रेस क्या है? यस टेल मी, यू नो दैट, यस और नॉट? तो एवरी स्पेसीज आर मेड फॉर पर्टिकुलर क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, पर्टिकुलर फिजियोग्राफी, पर्टिकुलर वाटर बॉडी, जो मिल रहा है उसके अनुसार से स्पेसीज अपना क्या लेता है? स्ट्रक्चर. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो वहां के अनुसार से दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग देयर व्हाट आई सेड दैट अपीयरेंस, स्ट्रक्चर, मूवमेंट, बायोलॉजिकल बिहेवियर and all kind of behavior they started doing according to the present climatic situation. So I said if I am talking about वहाँ पर specific species है तो habitat का मतलब address होता है, yes or not? और हमें किसमें preserve करके रखना चाहिए? In their natural habitat. जितने भी flora and faunas हैं, we have to preserve them into what? Preserve and protect them into natural habitat, yes or not? So can I say that national park means, I said that preservation and conservation of flora and fauna, not particular species. It is not about the particular species. Flora and fauna in their natural habitat. इसका मतलब there will be not one species, there will be, I said that several species, yes or not? It will be not only one species, they are what? Preserving and conserving, what I said that several species, not only a flora, animal also is there, yes or not? Plant and animal species, both. Is it clear? क्या याद रह सकते हैं? And in the case of wildlife sanctuary, can you say that it is for specific species? Another point it is coming, perhaps all of you know that there is an IUCN red list, yes or not? There are the different 9 categories are there, and then one it is, I said that first it is what? Extinct, yes or not? Second category is extinct in the wild state, मतलब वो wild में खत्म हो चुके हैं, but somewhere in the captive form, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो वो animal अपने पास पाल के रखा है, somewhere in the circus, anywhere it is, I said that captive form. The second is extinct in the what? Field. There is a coming of, I said that which one? Threatened species. And these threatened species are what I said that? Critically endangered, endangered and vulnerable. And thereafter it is, I said that, going to be, I said that, near to threatened species. NT, क्योंकि threatened. So I said that when the species are threatened, तो उसको क्या चाहिए? More protection and preservation, yes or not? More protection and that should be, I said, to live in a particular, in which region? Biosphere reserve. When the species are under which condition? Threatened. तो ये बनाया गया, suppose I said that if I am going into the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, मेरे साथ बोलेंगे बांदीपुर, मुकुर्थी, मुदुमलाई, Silent Valley. There are 4 national parks within Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. तो इसका मतलब कि Biosphere Reserve is greater size. In that size में what is happening? There is, I said that it is including national parks, or within a one national park there could be what I said that several wildlife sanctuaries. Yes or not? So I say that if I am talking about कि Biosphere Reserve is a larger concept, and इसके अंदर उन्होंने क्या बना दिया? वन कोर जोन, जहां पर क्या होगा? टेल मी, हाईली थ्रेटेंड स्पेसीज आर देयर, यस और नॉट? उसमें नो एंट्रेंस ऑफ एनीवन, यस, प्रोहिबिटेड एरिया. कोर जोन इज व्हाट? जहां पे देयर इज ना व्हाट आई सेड दैट थ्रेटेंड स्पेसीज, मींस आई सेड दैट क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड एंड वल्नरेबल. तो इन तीनों को कहां पे रखा जा रहा है? यस टेल मी, कोर जोन, यस और नॉट? According to the IUCN red list का मतलब ही है, it is a oldest kind of thing. 1948 it has been established. इसका मतलब है कि collect the data, analyze the data. Yes or not? Of different kind of, I said that, species in the world. And since 1948. तो हमारे पास आज के डेट में जहां जहां वर्ल्ड में wherever it is we are finding some threatened, उसको बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व में लार्जर कंसेप्ट में कोर जोन. And there it is, I said that. Next one is, I said that, buffer zone. So यहां पे तो क्या था? Just tell me prohibition. But buffer zone is acting as a national park. Buffer zone acting as a. अब थोड़ा सा नेशनल पार्क में आते हैं. नेशनल पार्क में आप किस लिए जा सकते हो? R for recreation. Can you go? Yes or no? R for research. Yes or not? You can go for the research, and you can go for the some kind of, what I said, that educational purpose. In the national parks, we can have what? Tell me. Recreation, research, education. Yes or not? Research, recreation. और वो कहां पे होगा? इस बफर जोन में. बफर जोन मैंने बोला क्या? It is acting as a what? National park. But core zone, there is no entrance, only prohibited area. Is it clear? वहां पे उनको नेचुरल हैबिटेट देकर पूरा प्रिजर्व किया जाता है. as much the medical facility can be provided to them. And thereafter coming of what I said, that what? Transition zone. Which one? कई बार बात उठ रहा है. एक चीज आप जानते होंगे, क्या आपकी फैमिली को कोई तोड़ सकता है? इफ यू आर 5 member फैमिली, 6 member फैमिली, नोबडी कैन ब्रेक. यस और नॉट? कोई नहीं ब्रेक कर सकता, कोई नहीं मार सकता. इट्स नॉट इजी. बट इफ इट आई से दैट इफ समबडी हु इज इंटरनल पार्ट ऑफ ए फैमिली मेंबर, रात में खिलाया पिलाया, बोला खत्म हो गए सारे, इंटरनल मेंबर कैन इजिली डिस्ट्रॉय. यस और नॉट? Can you say the tribal population is increasing in the present time, and they are living in the forest areas, and they are living in the form of some houses, hamlets in the which zone? Transition zone. और यही यदि बर्बाद करने पे आ जाए तो फिर फॉरेस्ट को कोई नहीं बचा सकता, बिकॉज ये तो उनका घर है. They are living in this house. Yes or not? Because their population is increasing, for there is livelihood cost is increasing, they need more food. And if they need more food, then what they will do? Just tell me. It started what? Deforestation. Trying to have an agricultural area. And you know that they will not do commercial agriculture. They will do, I said that, simply livelihood kind of it. Very sedentary kind of it. Yes or no? सारे slash and burn नहीं करेंगे. I said that. Understood it? तो हमने क्या बोला? तो दे आर मोर डेंजरस. और गवर्नमेंट आज के डेट में उनके क्या प्रोवाइड कर रही है? जॉब. यस और नॉट? व्हाट दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग? जॉब, सो दैट दे कैन प्रिजर्व द फॉरेस्ट इटसेल्फ, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाट? डिफॉरेस्टेशन. इज इट क्लियर? तो यहां पे कौन है ट्रांजिशन जोन में? हैमलेट्स. हु इज देयर? व्हाट इज देयर? हैमलेट्स. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? अंडरस्टूड? सो biosphere reserve is considered to be the larger aspects. So core zone, it is completely prohibited. Buffer zone, I said that, tell me. National park like it will be have. Here you can go for recreation, here you can go for research, you can go for education. And there will be what? Transition zone, where there people will be what? I said that? Yes or not? Clear to you? So we have seen area wise it is clear. And this is reserve category. Can I say that all these are in situ conservation? I am preserving and protecting them in their what? Habitat. In their natural habitat. Yes or not? ऐसा तो नहीं I am taking it somewhere else. Yes or not? In situ means in their origin. And if I am taking them to the, I said that, some zoological garden, some botanical garden, then it is what I said that? Ex situ conservation. Is it clear? So we are preserving which kind of this? All these are kind of what? In situ conservation. Got it? Yes or not? Now, shall I remove upper section? And India has, I said, 18 biosphere reserves. How many? 18. 18 biosphere reserves. Clear? एंड सबसे जरूरी है कि बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व में अभी मैंने बोला कि देयर शुड बी व्हाट, बैलेंस बिटवीन nature means environment and people. Yes or not? Yes or not? Balance between and people. So biosphere reserve क्या करता है? Tell me. Balance between people and this word has been conceptualized in the world in 1968, and thereafter there is a role of who comes? UNESCO. लिखेंगे यूनेस्को का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म? यूनाइटेड नेशन एजुकेशनल साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये वर्ल्ड में क्यों इतने सारे हेरिटेज साइट, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व एंड द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ साइंटिफिक, ये क्यों कर रहा है? व्हाई इज डूइंग that, to maintain the balance and all. Yes or not? हमारे यहाँ आ रहा है, बोल रहा है this year Mumbai has been made, I said that what, as a one of the heritage according to the UNESCO. Yes or not? So in present India became what, how many total? 37 heritage site, or India is the, I said that, 5th largest country. Understood it? If I am talking about, और एशिया में बोला जाए तो it is second after China. I said again I am talking about why he is doing. हमारे यहाँ बोल रहा है कि आपके पास सब नेचुरल हेरिटेज है, कल्चरल हेरिटेज है, दैट शुड बी प्रोटेक्टेड. ऐसा ना क्यों कर रहा है? इसका एक ही पर्पस है कि यदि हम आपके घर आएंगे, खाएंगे, पिएंगे, आसपास फैमिली रहती है, एक दूसरे से मिलती जुलती, इफ दे आर व्हाट इज इंटरेक्टिंग, सो घर कभी छोड़ कर जाओगे तो वो सिक्योरिटी करेंगे. सो विदाउट, मतलब अनपेड सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल विल बी देयर. यस और नॉट? इसका मतलब भी है कि यूनेस्को का मेन मोटो है टू प्रमोट, आई सेड दैट, सिक्योरिटी एंड सेफ्टी इन द वर्ल्ड. यस और नॉट? एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट? प्रमोशन इन द फील्ड ऑफ व्हाट? एजुकेशन, in the field of science and in the field of what? Culture. तो यूनेस्को ने बोला हमारे इंडिया में से 18 में से 11 को अपने अंडर में ले लिया. किसके अंडर में? और इस साल 2018 में कंचनजंगा बिकम द व्हाट? 11th man and biosphere reserve. It becomes what? Kanchenjunga became the 11th man and. यहां पर लेने का मतलब है यहां पे तो बैलेंस हो रहा है. यस और नॉट? बैलेंस. बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व का क्या मतलब है? टेल मी. बैलेंसिंग बिटवीन द पीपल एंड एनवायरमेंट. बट इफ आई हैव टू सी दैट कि यदि बैलेंस मेंटेन नहीं हो रहा है तो वी हैव टू इंप्रूव द सिचुएशन. यस और नॉट? तो यूनेस्को take within them to improve the relation between what? Man and environment. Yes or not? So man and biosphere reserve का concept क्या है? Tell me. Improving the what? Relation between people and. And how many man and biosphere reserve in India? How many? 11 man and biosphere reserve out of 18 biosphere reserves. Is it clear? Clear? Completely okay in your mind? So what are the reserved forest, biosphere reserve, national parks, wildlife sanctuary? All are clear? Wildlife sanctuary means what? Specific species. And this is for the protection and preservation of flora and fauna in their natural habitat. ये भी इसमें भी है, लेकिन it is, I said that category has been increased. So it has been divided into 3: core, buffer and transition zone. Is it clear? मेरे साथ बोलिएगा आप लोग. दिहांग दिबांग, डिब्रू सैखोवा, मानस, नौक्रिक, Kanchenjunga. So these are the 5 man and biosphere reserve we have seen. Which are, I said that? Dihang Dibang, Dibru Saikhowa, Manas, Nokrik, Kanchenjunga. केवल बोले आप, इतना ना सोचें क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप. अंडरस्टूड इट? आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग पिक्चर मिलेगी.